May God in his mercy bless and keep you. And may he sow confusion among his enemies and bring you victory in this holy war.
Thank you, Father. Farewell for now. Fear nothing. We shall all be together soon. Praise the Lord.
My husband, you depart with our love and carry our hopes. Fare you well. Live, live, and live.
Let's try. As I'll also try to be worthy of you, Judith.
To everything, there is a season and a time for every purpose under the sun. A time to love, a time to hate, a time of war, and a time of peace. Now this is the time of war. This is the time to hate.
Let's go.
Let's go!